The boys are off to find out why the MX-5 has become the world's best-selling roadster. Although built in Japan, the Mark I MX-5 was very much an international car, designed in California and developed by a British team. Critics raved about the handling. Here was a little Japanese sports car that took the basic ingredients of the British sports car and elevated them to a whole new level.
You like it, don't you? That's the thing with these cars. It makes you want to throw it into a corner, doesn't it?
Hang on a minute, this can't be right. I can't be having this much fun in a little girly red sports car.
This is a piece of engineering artistry.
I can see now why they sold so many units.
That's right, mass manufacturer makes a two-seater sports car that actually does what it's supposed to do.
It's on a short shifter as well.
Yeah.
I like it. It handles like it's on rails.
Yeah, it's totally predictable as well, isn't it? They are just completely well thought out, brilliantly engineered. They last for years and years as well. You can pick one of these up for a few £100 and have a lot of fun in it. Well done, Mazda. Got it right. Ding!
Utter shock. Right, I want to know what the new one's like. Do you want to go in the new one?
I do, actually, yeah.
After 25 years, the MX-5 has seen a few generations. The current Mark IV, launched in 2015, has more aggressive styling, is lighter than its predecessors and has a smaller engine. But the philosophy of the Mark IV is the same as ever. A light, nimble, rear-wheel drive sports car that's designed to be affordable and fun to drive.
Here we go.
Right, what's it like?
Well, it feels modern.
Yes, refined. What I want to know is it all just a load of fluff and fancy on the inside? And underneath all this, it still is Generation 1 Mazda MX-5 perfection.
It's still got the same excitement of the early cars. It's a worthy successor. It feels lighter.
You know it's a little 1.5 under there.
Tiny engine, isn't it?
It pulls, doesn't it?
Really does.
So typical Japanese car, well refined, getting every single bhp out of a car.
Yeah, absolutely.
It feels almost faultless, this car.
I think this retells the MX-5 story absolutely perfectly.
So, a drive on the car SOS track is just the inspiration the boys need. In 1989, the Japanese car company Mazda came up with a genius idea. A lightweight two-seater front-engine roadster. All right, the British and Italians had been knocking out little sports cars for years, but they all seemed so 60s. So, when Mazda introduced a car that was reliable, cheap, and most of all modern, the MX-5 became an instant success and went on to be the best-selling two-seater sports car of all time.